Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list in Excel. Drop-down lists are a great way to ensure data consistency and make data entry easier. So let's start the video. First, open your Excel workbook where you want to create the drop-down list. So this is a sample employee data which contains a column city. First, we have to enter the list of items that we want in our drop-down menu. For this, we will use a new sheet. So enter the name of cities you want in the drop-down menu. So these are the cities we want in our drop-down list. Now select the cells where you want the drop-down list to appear. So these are the cells. Now click on the Data tab in the Excel ribbon. And then click on Data Validation button in Data Tools. In the Data Validation dialog box, select List from the Allow drop-down menu. In the Source field, click on the up arrow and select the range of cells that contains your list items. So it's in sheet 4 and select the city names. Now click on this down arrow and click on OK button. Your drop-down list is now ready. Now click on the drop-down arrow in the city column and you will see the list of cities you have entered. You can select any city from the list. So that's it. You have successfully created a drop-down list in Excel. Thanks for watching.